Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe link to your YouTube description box every time you upload a video. So the first thing you want to do is click on your logo on the top right and click on Creator Studio. Then you need to click on your logo again and click on the settings box right here. Okay, now next click on your profile image right here. And this will lead you to your YouTube channel page. Okay, so the first thing you need to do right here is copy this link on top, type Ctrl C, okay, and open a text file, okay, and paste it in the text file. Now, this link right here on top, sub confirmation, is the one that you're gonna add to your YouTube channel link, okay. Now I have left this link on the description box below. Okay, copy it, then paste it and add it to your YouTube channel link. Okay, so Ctrl C and add it right here, Ctrl V. Okay, so this whole link right here will be your subscribe link that you want to put on your YouTube description box. Okay, so copy that whole link. Okay, Ctrl C. And if you want to check that this is the right link, paste it on your browser, enter, and there you have it. Okay, here it's asking the user to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so when the user clicks on the subscribe button, he will automatically subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, so folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more how-to content. And let me know in the comments below what would you like me to show you in my next videos, okay? Stay tuned.